What's up, everybody? My name is Philip Conley from West Virginia. I got a hold of John because I've seen his product called OmniShaver, and I was interested in. I haven't shaved in a few days. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to shave. And it's supposed to be the take like a fraction of the time. So I'm gonna give this a shot and see how it works for me. Alright. This right here. It's pretty neat. Let's give it a shot. So it's definitely a lot faster than what I'm used to. It's supposed to clean itself out so you don't have to stop and rinse it off like you do normal razors, traditional ones. And that's it. Done.
And then go.
Smooth.
You saw it on
Definitely love this product. Recommend it to anybody.